Hey fam, what's poppin'? It's your boy Calum, and welcome back to yet another episode of Calum's Kitchen. Now today, we are going to be cooking some delicious Wagyu beef. This isn't the A5 Japanese Wagyu, this is just an Australian Wagyu, but I think it'll do just fine. So the first thing to do before we start playing with our beef is we're going to set our Sous Vide machine. So I'm going to go ahead and set that. Oops. Can't press this button, there we go. Set that to 54 degrees for 2 hours and start. Okay, now it's time to get onto the beef. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply a liberal layer of salt, a nice grinding of pepper, and of course the secret ingredient, garlic powder. Okay, and then I'll make sure I apply the same thing on the other side. A little bit too much, but that's all right, it'll drop right off. And then I'll go around the edge and just make sure all those edges get coated as well, like that. Awesome. Now it's time to bag it. So I'll get my pre-prepared vacuum bag, chuck the steak in like that, and then we'll seal it up. Awesome, that's done. And look at that, one bagged Wagyu steak ready to be cooked. So now we'll just wait until this machine reaches 54 degrees and then we'll dump it in. Alright, and we're back. Looks like we have reached our 54 degrees, so I'll go ahead and chuck the steak in. Make sure it's completely submerged. Very good. Alright. Now I'll just replace that lid. Let's see, start button. And come back in 2 hours. See you then. Alright, and we're back again. Let's see what our steak looks like now. Very squishy. Interesting texture. It's almost like jelly. I'll go ahead and cut this bag open. Doesn't look too appetizing, does it? But that's fine. I still have to finish it in the pan. tasting one of these pieces. Oh, look at that, delicious. Not bad.